Good afternoon, everyone. This is Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. And today I have the pleasure of showing you one of my top shelf 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Touring build. And I'm showing you this car indoors because we have a rainy day here in Addison. So I wanted to go over this beautiful paint job on this car. It's definitely an award winner and ready for car shows and cruise nights. As you can see, the paint job is immaculate on the car, and it is a 10 out of a 10. It is a high-end restoration, high-end paint job. As you can see, the body lines are nice and crisp on the car. It's been rotisserie restored. All the bezels, all of the chrome bumpers, and emblems and stainless steel trim around the windows are near perfect. It also sports 20-inch Budnick wheels in the back with the Wilwood drilled brakes all around the car, power disc, 4-wheel, nice emblems, like I said, door handles, vertical strips, very nice along with the windshield wipers and down to the final detail of this build. 19-inch in the front Budnick wheels with the cross-drilled brakes, Wilwood all around. Look at that reflection in the paint. It is show quality. Beautiful front end with the new chrome bumper, all the bezels, excellent grille on the car, and the paint. I can't stop talking about the quality of the paint. Nice chin spoiler in the front, gives it that factory look. But when you look at this thing from a side profile, obviously it's been lowered with different type of suspension. A lot of my details are in the description that you can refer to. And what we'll do right now, we'll check out the interior. Door lips are perfect. Custom $20,000 leather interior. Power seats. Okay, right there. All the crevices. This is to turn on your headlight. And I just have to get a new knob for it. Okay, so I just wanted to pull it off and show you guys. Tilt wheel, obviously. Odometer upgraded gauges. Beautiful steering wheel, excellent seats. I believe these are out of a newer Camaro. You got power windows, quarters, and driver and passenger. Cup holders. Here's how you start your vehicle, right here. And then right here, pops the driver's door, pops the passenger door. Hence, no interior door handles. Upgraded stereo system, beautiful leather wrapped dash, suede headliner, package tray, seat belts are all intact. Can't ask for a nicer combination. Let's check out the trunk. All right, not quite sure if this emblem here is giving it away. Booyah. Rockford Fosgate custom stereo setup with the subwoofers, LED lights underneath here. That's the way to do it. Check out the rear end. I love saying that. Hotchkis suspension. Look at that interior. I mean, just look at the undercarriage of this thing. Rotisserie restored. Definitely in the 6 figures to build it easily. So I already popped the passenger door open with the popper from the inside, just to show you continuation. Beautiful vintage modern 69 Pro Touring Camaro. Guys, you don't have to wait a year or two to have one built. This one's ready to go. You want to see the beast under the hood? Check this out. Where you open the hood, okay? It's right in the center, so you know. Push it, pops open, okay? Look at that engine compartment. 427 crate GM replacement motor, aluminum heads, upgraded headers, chrome setup right there for your 4-wheel Wilwood power disc, your power steering, upgraded aluminum radiator, upgraded tubular control arms, 4-barrel Holley carb, water pump newer, alternator newer, red line battery, custom firewall throughout the car. And yes, all the hinges are painted Argent silver like they should be. Under the hood is mint. So 427 crate motor. Check out my description for further details upon that. It's backed up by a 5-speed Tremec transmission. Check out the front end here. I mean, look through the grill. It's all red on the core support there. Look at underneath here. Look at the subframe. It's a showpiece winner. Any car show you go to, you're taking home the trophy. Anyone you go to. Check this out. Hotchkis all tied in. All body color painted red. You guys can see my photos. It'll show a little bit better. All right, so I'll get this thing fired up for you guys to hear it. Here we are in the cockpit. Here's where you start it. All the gauges light up. Sounds real healthy. You got the 5-speed right here. Car shows 1,288 miles since the full restoration. Check out the exhaust. Wow. Let's listen to the motor now. There you go, boys. All right, so there you have it. My 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Touring car set up to win any car show you go to. I would love to take it for a test drive and show you guys, but due to the weather here in Addison, Illinois, it's not gonna happen. All right, call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions, but please first read my description. If you guys need delivery, you guys can send me your zip code, and if you need financing, we can do that with the credit score of 650 and up. Thanks again for watching MGMClassicCars.com.